Good morning students. Today in this video I will teach you about importance of water. Some importance of water I have written here, that sustenance of life at home, plants and animals, industries, electricity, transportation and recreation. About these, sustenance of life, without water we cannot live, that you know very well. When we drink water, our food digests. Okay? If we don't drink water, our food will not digest. Okay? Secondly, at home, in every work we need water. Every work. You can see that from the morning till evening, till the night, not only in evening, till the night we need water for drinking, for bathing, for cooking and so many things. Okay? Plants and animals. Plants take water for photosynthesis, for making their food. Okay, so you can see that plants and animals, they also need water. After that, industries. In industries, without water nothing can be happen. Water is necessary, that is raw material. Okay, it uses in raw material and many other things. Electricity, we know that from water electricity produce. Okay, so in electricity it is very necessary to use water. Okay, without water we cannot get electricity. Transportation, in transportation when we transport something by ship, that ship where that ship goes in water, in sea, in river, in that water we. Okay, and recreation, some sports just like skiing and water polo, all these sports we play in the water. So you can see water plays very important role in our life. Okay, these are the some importance of water. After that, one myth is there. Okay, it is given in your book that drinking water keep our skin moist and prevents dry skin. Okay, that is myth. If we drink water, our skin will moist. This is myth. What is the reality? What is the fact? When we drink water, it goes to our intestine, and from intestine it distributes in our blood streams. Okay, and from blood streams it goes to kidneys, and from there it filters. Okay, and at last we get our skin get the water which is very less. Okay, so for moist our skin we need some external things, just like cleansing and taking bath, all these things we need. So this is myth that drinking water keep our skin moist and prevent dry skin. Okay, so about myth and facts you understood. Now the next topic is solvent, solute and solution. Solvent, solute and solution. Very important. Solvent, what is the definition of solvent? Solvent is a substance that can dissolve. Solvent is a substance that can dissolve another substance. In it. Means that substance which can dissolve another substance in it. Just like water. Water can dissolve another substance in it. Okay? And solute, the substance which dissolves solution is the mixture of solvent and solute. And having solution as solution, for solution, this is water. You can see this is what? Solvent. Example of solvent, water. A spoonful salt I am taking. This is salt. This is solute. If we dissolve it, stir, we get what? Solution. You can see this one dissolved in it. This one dissolved. You can see the water is as it is, but it is salty now. In taste, salty. You can see water is as it is. So it is dissolved in water. Water, we can say water is a solvent, and since water dissolves so many things in it, just like salt, sugar, honey, milk, so many things it can dissolve in it. So it is called universal solvent. Okay. Some solute we cannot dissolve, just like chalk powder, just like sand, soil, we cannot dissolve it. It is not dissolved in water. So these are insoluble. And if salt, we take salt, sugar and another thing, just like honey and milk, these are dissolved. So it is soluble in water. Okay. Now, very important thing, when we make a solution, that solution, in solution, solvent is water and solute is the solid thing, just like salt and sugar, that we can identify these are solute. But if milk and water is there, or alcohol and water is there, then how we can understand that is solvent, which is solvent and which is solute? Listen carefully. If water is in major quantity and milk is in minor quantity, less quantity, then water is called solvent and milk is called solute, because water is in major quantity and milk and alcohol, just like milk and alcohol, they are in minor quantity, less quantity. And if milk is in major quantity and water is in less quantity, then milk will be solvent and water will be solute. If both are half, suppose half glass water and half glass milk, then we can say both solute and solvent. As suppose you are saying milk as solvent, then water is solute. Okay, so solute and solvent and solution, you understood. After that, some important terms, that those substances which are soluble, which are dissolved in water, that is called, dissolve any liquid, not only water, any liquid, that is soluble, especially in water, that is soluble. And if it is not soluble, not dissolved, then it is insoluble. Okay, the solution which made in water, that is aqueous solution, and the solution which doesn't make solution in water, that is what? Non-aqueous solution, that is called non-aqueous solution. So these are the important terms about solution and solvent and solute. Okay, so in this video till here only. Thank you children.